Did you know you can post on Facebook even while you're sleeping, at work, or busy with other things without worrying about being online at that specific time? Well, that's exactly what scheduling posts helps you to do. If you are a busy mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a 9 to 5 worker, or a beginner content creator who is struggling to post consistently, then this video is definitely for you. Facebook has made it super easy to plan your post ahead, save time, and help you stay consistent without the stress of posting manually every single day. And the best part is, once your posts are scheduled, they will still go live even when you're offline. How cool is that? Scheduling your Facebook post helps you stay organized, save hours, and make sure your content goes out when your audience are most active online. Before I show you exactly how to do it, let me quickly share 5 reasons why scheduling your Facebook post is so important. I'm Tinaj, and welcome back to Team Tinaj Barbies. And if you're new here, please do consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel because I share simple tips on how to grow your social media platforms the right way. Scheduling your posts helps you stay consistent on your Facebook page. Instead of worrying about posting every single day, you can simply plan your content ahead of time, then schedule it and let Facebook publish it automatically. And remember, consistency helps keep your page active and can also attract more followers over time. Another big advantage of scheduling your posts is that it saves you a lot of time. Instead of logging into Facebook multiple times a day, you can create several posts at once, then schedule them for different times and days. That way, all you have to focus on later is replying to comments and engaging with your audience. Scheduling also allows you to post when your audience is most active online. When you post at the right time, your content is more likely to get more likes, shares, and comments. And of course, make sure your content is engaging and valuable because quality always matters more than quantity. Even when you're busy, sleeping, or at work, your scheduled post will still go live. And this keeps your page active and shows your followers that your content is constantly updated. And that's one of the best ways to build trust and grow your audience. Scheduling your posts also helps you plan your content strategy better. You can also organize your posts for the week or even the whole month, which makes your page look more professional and well managed. So now, let me show you exactly how to schedule your Facebook posts like a pro. As usual, open your Facebook app and go to your page if you are not there. I'm already on my Facebook page, and this is where all your posts and settings are managed. Also make sure you are on the correct page, especially if you manage multiple pages. Next thing you want to do is to tap on this "What's on your mind" to create a post. Then add the content you want to post. And this can be a text update, a photo, or video. So I will just go with a text. How to schedule a Facebook post. If you're uploading a video, always make sure you include your caption. This is very, very important. Once you have selected your video, picture, or text from your gallery you want to schedule, the next thing you want to do is to tap on this "Next." And once you tap on this "Next," it will bring you to this menu where you can access the schedule option. Look for the schedule option and tap on it. This is it right here, schedule options. Tap on it. It will bring you again to this page. On this page, you can see you can publish your post now or schedule it for later. You see post now is highlighted, but we don't want to post now. We want to schedule for later. So we have to select schedule for later. So it will give us this option. And this is where you can choose the exact time and date you want your post to go live, even when you are offline. Here you can see recommended time Facebook is giving you. You can either select this time or you tap here, which I advise you should tap here and select your own time. So once you tap here, you will select the date you want to schedule that post. So as of the time I'm making this video, I don't know when I'm going to upload it. So don't follow the time and the date I'm scheduling. This is just for an example. So I will just take 29th of April. You tap on the date, the desired date you want your post to go live. Just tap on the date. Once you tap on the date, then you take OK, and it will bring you to where you also set the time, the date and the time. So now we are setting the time. I will just take maybe 2 p.m., 2 a.m. whichever time you want your post to go live. Always make sure you schedule your posts for when you feel your audience are most active online, because of course you don't want to upload your video maybe 2 a.m., 3 a.m. when your audience have already gone to bed, even though some people are online at that time. But make sure you always schedule your posts when you know your audience are most active online. And also, if you want a video on how to know when your audience are most active online so you can upload your video and get more engagement, more views, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely do a video on that. Once you have selected the exact time you want your video to go live, I have selected 2 p.m. You can change from here, 2 a.m., 2 p.m. Just try to manipulate around here. So once you do that, then take OK. Double check your time zone so your post goes out exactly when you want it to. So as you can see here, I have set the post for April 29, 2 p.m. So if everything looks okay, just tap on schedule and you have to go back here, then you will see schedule. Don't worry, once you have set the time from there, you go back, the time has already been set, nothing will change. You just have to come back here and then tap on schedule. Once you tap on schedule, your posts have been scheduled on the time you set. That's how you schedule your Facebook posts so you keep up with consistency without missing any upload time. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please do make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.